So here's exactly how to start making $100 every single day with YouTube. As at the time of recording this video, my YouTube channel is yet to be monetized. In fact, I have less than 1,000 subscribers. But since March this year, I have been generating on average $100 every single day. And I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. So if you're tired of seeing pennies in your YouTube earnings, or you're yet to be monetized like I am, but you still want to start generating income, there are only 2 things you need to start doing today to start generating that kind of money. And if you're able to pull in $100 every single day, that would be about $700 per week and about $2,500 to about $3,000 every single month. Is that even possible? Well, let me show you how to achieve that. The first thing you need to do is to leverage YouTube as a marketplace. Yes, I know that YouTube is a place for entertainment and it's also a place for education where you learn something new. But YouTube is much more than that. YouTube is also a search engine and YouTube is also a marketplace. What do you do in a marketplace? Well, let me use the example of Upwork and Fiverr as an example. Upwork is a marketplace, so businesses come to Upwork to look for services from professionals and copywriters, web designers, social media managers, video editors, voiceover artists. So you need to start seeing YouTube as a marketplace as well. It's not enough for you to just publish video and hope that one day your video goes viral. Many YouTubers, especially beginners, will never have thousands of views when they're just getting started because it is so much saturated today than it was years ago. Yes, you could still succeed on YouTube, but it is better for you to start implementing strategies that can help you earn money while you're growing your YouTube along the way. So see YouTube as a marketplace, not just a place where you can teach people something, but a place where you can also build your personal brand, and then you can now use that your personal brand to hone your skill set and to sell services. And I will show you exactly how to do that. So you're not just creating content to go viral or to sound very intelligent. Rather, you're building your personal brand, and that personal brand can be a valuable asset for selling anything you want to sell online. Remember, YouTube is also a marketplace, so businesses are here. Even though there are people who want to learn from you, there are also businesses that have a marketing budget. They are looking for your skills. Maybe you are a copywriter, maybe you are good with growing on Instagram, you're good with growing on TikTok, or you're good with helping brands with their branding and rebranding. This is an opportunity for you to start using YouTube as a means to achieving your goal, rather than just creating content and hoping that one day YouTube will monetize you. Of course, it will happen if you're consistent, but don't wait for YouTube to get you monetized. Rather, start making money from today by seeing YouTube as a marketplace and then using the platform to create content that promotes your skill set, that grows your brand, and that makes you money. So the first step is to identify your skill set. What are you good at and what can you sell to businesses? I want you to take a moment and think about it. Are you good with logo design? Are you good with graphics? Are you good with UI for mobile apps? Are you good with website design or customization or WordPress or whatever? Are you good with writing sales copy, product description? Are you good with branding? Are you good with video editing? Maybe you're good with Adobe Premiere Pro, or you're good with VFX or whatever. You're good with music. Your voice is so melodious that you can do voiceover for businesses and for faceless channels. You need to identify the skill set that you have so that when you start creating video, you create videos along that line. That is the best way to attract the right people. Yes, you may not get thousands of views on your first day or even on your first month or even on your first year, but if you successfully get 500 people to view your video, you are sure that these people that are watching your video are truly interested in that skill set that you have to offer. And if a tiny percentage of them decide to learn more about your services and then go the extra mile to hire you to work for them, you'll start pulling in good income every single day. Let me give you an example. If you are a copywriter or you are a writer in general, the videos you should be creating on your channels are not just videos that talks about making money. No, it could be one of them, but you find a way to infuse your personality and your skill set. So you could create videos about script writing. You could create videos about hooking people, improving retention on YouTube. That way, people would want to know more about how to write script to retain people on their channel, and then they would want to work with you. They will ask you questions, and when it's a complex question, you can send it to them as a coaching program or as a consultant or as a freelancer that you are. Or you can lead them to a landing page where they subscribe to your email list so that they can start getting consistent email from you, and from there you can sell them a product, either the one you created yourself or an affiliate product that serves their need. This is really very important.